Thursday, 11th of July 2024, the Feast of Saint Benedict. Focus. If anyone will not receive you or listen to your words. Wherein was a keen orator, but his stammer often made him the butt of jokes and ridicule. He was proud when he was invited to host a national meet of renowned theatre artists. However, his joy was soon swamped by some unkind reaction. Yet, he would not let criticism get him down. He knew only one way out: to storm heaven for the Lord to intervene. And today, wherein is a leading television host. When Jesus sends his apostles out to proclaim his word, he gives them some instructions. They are to be simple in dress, manner, and attitude, so that their listeners' attention is not distracted by trivialities. Divine providence will meet their needs, while proclaiming the word should be their focus. Jesus also gives them the power to heal the sick and to spread peace wherever they go. However, one important thing Jesus advises them about is to try and discern the nature of those they will be reaching out to, and to be wary of certain people. If after the initial greetings to receive positive vibes from the people, they need to stay and proclaim the gospel. If they meet only negativity, they are not to feel upset. Instead, they must proceed elsewhere and continue the mission is entrusted to them. Fruit. I will never shy away from talking about and proclaiming my God despite opposition.